This is Emhape Tech with new video. Android Oreo finally looks set to launch in the UK on Samsung's Galaxy S8 smartphones within weeks. The eagerly awaited software update has been rolling out across Europe, with users in Germany, France and Poland all getting access to Google's latest OS. Now it seems S8 owners in Britain will be next on the upgrade program. Samsung hasn't officially revealed a release date for its rollout in the UK, but an industry source has exclusively told Express.co.uk that networks are expected to get Oreo within days. For anyone owning an S8 on contract, it's worth remembering that mobile operators and networks have to test any new software before pushing it out to consumers. However, with Oreo now in the hand of these networks, the update on the Galaxy S8 should be available in a matter of weeks. Android Oreo brings a swath of new features to Samsung's current flagship, including a redesigned settings menu, and a new edge lighting feature which adds a colored glow when notifications hit your handset. Samsung has also greatly improved its native keyboard, with built-in GIF support, Emoji 5.0, and an easily accessible clipboard within the keyboard itself. Android Oreo also brings support for long press shortcuts for apps on the home screen on the Galaxy S8, Galaxy S8 Plus. This nifty shortcut allows up to 5 contextual shortcuts within each app and can be accessed by long pressing on the icon on your home screen. Despite it appearing to be an update worth upgrading to, there have been a few issues with the new software which Samsung is currently working hard to fix. In a recent statement, Samsung confirmed, following a limited number of cases where Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus devices have rebooted unexpectedly with the Android 8.0 Oreo update, we have temporarily stopped the rollout of the update. We are investigating the issue internally to ensure that the impact to the affected devices is minimized and the rollout of the update can resume as quickly as possible. If you are experiencing any issues with your device, please contact our customer service team. Along with Oreo coming to the Galaxy S8, there's more big news for Samsung fans coming next weekend. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.